I don't know. It's a good one.
I got the net.
This thing feels big, dude.
Take your time.
Oh, get him. That's a good start.
Nice one, bud.
What do you think, 3.5?
Oh no, he's close to 5.
All right.
Okay.
Do you want to let him go? I can get a video of him taking off.
That's probably too murky.
You think so? Look, he's fat.
He's 5. He's 5 pounds. At least 5.
Oh yeah. Little pounder.
Non-scoreable.
Doesn't matter with 5.
Ouch. Fucking crankbait again?
Yeah.
It's number 5, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Watch them hooks, bud.
Mm-hmm. Man, these hooks are sharp.
Did he club it?
Mm-hmm.
I can't even get a bite.
You're throwing 5 casts. You know they'll hit it.
They won't hit it.
There's got to be some back there. Fish on. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one.
In the net.
Yeah. 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 It's not massive, but it's a 3 pounder. Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
It's a fucking squisher.
Do you think he tried to eat it?
I'm sure he tried to eat it.
Dude. Should have paid for me. Get another one back there. There he is. I got him.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Ooh. Take him. Just a little guy, but
Who cares?
man, he wanted it. Look at that.
Yeah, he did. What is that, 6?
7. 7.
7 bass and a squishy.
Yep. Sweet action. I'll take that.
Good plug.
Just came off.
Are you fucking kidding
No.
me? That was a big one, too.
Dude. I feel like we've been having most of our luck sitting like right here and casting down.
And they're not. Right on the bank. Right here. They're out. Oh, I just got hammered.
Dude.
I'm not even biting it. Yep.
Get him.
He's going.
You stuff him. Good one. Oh, he's coming at you.
Nope.
Little guy. Nice fish though. Cast. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Stop it. Sorry. Ooh, he got it. I got him.
Nice job, bud.
That was a little bit better.
He is?
About a pound. Getting some on the toppy. Right along that wall, too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Fish?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Are you shitting me?
Nice one. Nice one.
Where's the net?
It's up here. He's three. He's three.
I
He's
just
big.
lost something into the water.
What was it?
It was on the net. I don't know. Something. I bet it was the pliers. Or the pliers. I heard a blue. It's not your GoPro stuff, right?
No, I got all that.
I bet it's the pliers.
Yeah, we just lost our fucking fly.
I heard a blue. I got to.
This is where you got him. Right, throwing parallel with this bank.
Right there. Right here.
Did it?
Yep. Boop, don't.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is it. This is our one. This is it. This is it.
Oh, shit. That might have been her, man. Oh, it's a fish, man.
Oh my god. Keep him on.
Dude.
Don't
this
horse
is a
him. Don't horse him.
fucking Mule.
Think it's a bass?
I just want to get it. I'll let you go. Come on, sweetie.
She did not want to come up.
My arms get tired. You want to take her for a bit?
No, you keep fighting it. I don't want to lose it on a transfer or something.
Just, here.
No, just keep
Take
fighting
her
it.
for a bit. My arm is tired. This will be interesting.
It's coming up. She's up. She's up. Get her right there.
Oh. My goodness.
Dude,
Look at that shit.
barely hooked.
Net's finger hut.
What?
This net's finger hut.